Welcome student to my channel Educare Maths and Science. Today I also discuss the AP continuation of AP. You know very well from the books I discuss here the M.L. Agarwal. The edition is 2025. Suppose the exercise 9.2. Now the sum is here. One different sum number 9. Which term of AP 53, 48, 43 is the first negative term? That is a very different question. Okay, very different question. That means this is the decreasing order. 53, 48, 43 is a decreasing order. The one times this will be starting with the negative number. Now what is the first negative number start and what is the value of the term you find out. In which term value or in which term is starting the negative number, negative value. Negative value. Let's first you get A is 53, no problem. D is 48 minus 53. So that is actually minus 5. That means the common difference is minus 5. The always subtraction. Okay. Now, let's the starting negative term, negative value of the term, negative value of the term, that is n. So Tn, no problem. What is the starting of the negative value? The term number is n. So Tn you write a plus n minus 1 into d. That is the general formula. That is the general formula. You just put a is 53. A is 53. This is A is 53 plus n minus 1 and D is minus 5. D is minus 5. So actually this is 53 minus 5n and this minus plus 5. So that is 58 minus 5n. 53 minus 5n. Now, that is the discussion. What's the value of this? What's the value of this? This is a decreasing order. This is the decreasing order. So, if there is some time that Tn, the value of Tn is maybe 0 in the decreasing order. 0, now you start the negative. Now you start the first you starting the 0. Then you start negative. Okay. So I just write at the left part is 0. Now what is the value of n? 5n, this is the 58. 5n equal to 58. এটাকে এদিকে আনলাম 5n. So 5n is 58. Just you find out the value of n. Let take the Tn is 0. Let take Tn is 0. What is the value of n? So Tn is 0, just you shift 5n is equal to 58. এটাকে যদি তুমি এইভাবে দেখো নো প্রবলেম এট অল। এটাকে এদিকে আনলে 5n is equal to 58. Okay, no problem. Clear? So now this is 58 by 5. 58 by 5. That is very understanding. 5 ones are 5. This 8. 5 ones are 5. This is 3. So that means this is a point 6. Okay. So that means what is the value of n? N is actually 11.6. That is the fraction of the decimal part. That is the fraction of decimal part. But the term is always the natural number. Or 11 or 12. That is 0 is coming. 0, the value of this decreasing order, 0 is coming in that place. 0 is coming in that place. 11.6. So 11 up to 11, that is not coming 0. That is all the positive number. Now the first negative number, age value, the term, এটা ভালো করে বোঝো, 0 is coming. The decreasing order, 0টা কখন আসছে? 0, which one is coming 0? Which term? 11.6. 11.6 is not belongs in the term, that means 0 is not coming here. But 0, the value of the term is 11.5. Now, if the 12 is starting the negative. 12 is starting because 11.6, 0 is coming. So 12 term, that is the starting of the negative, first negative number. So first negative number is coming in 12 term. 12 term. The question is, which term of the AP this first negative value? First negative value is 12 term. This is very understanding sum. আমি কি বলছি ভালো করে ক্লিয়ার করো না, দিস ইজ আ ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট থিং। হোয়াই ইউ টেকিং জিরো? সাপোজ ফার্স্ট ইউ টেকিং দ্য ফাইন্ড আউট দ্য ভ্যালু অফ এন। এন এর ভ্যালুটাকে আগে বার করো। হোয়াট ইজ দ্য ভ্যালু অফ এন ইফ ইউ টেকিং ইট জিরো? সো এন ইজ 11.6. দ্যাট মিনস 11 point, if this is a possible 11.6 term, that is the value is 0. But there is not 11.6 term because it's a natural number. So 0 is not coming here in this series. But if 0 is coming, that is 11.6. Now, gradually increase 11.6, 11.78, up 12 in the 12 term, that is negative coming because 0 is coming here. A term in that term, 0 is coming. Increasing this term, so 0 ever decrease korbe, so negative term এসে যাবে. So first one, 0 is coming 11.6. But 11.6, there is no term. That means in that place, here is decreasing order, 0 is not coming. But if 0 is coming, 11.6. If 0 পরেরটা negative, so that means এর পরেরটা কি? 11.6, 11 is the whole number. In case of the term, you always take the natural number. So 11 is the natural number, 11.6. আগের নাম্বারটা কি? 11 natural number, next natural number is 12. So starting the 12 is the natural number and 12 is the term. যখন এই টার্মটা আসছে, that is the negative is starting because 0 is coming here. If you 12 term is coming, that is the negative, first negative number is starting. Okay, first negative number up to 11 term the positive value. Up to 11 positive value. 11.6 0 হয়ে গেছে। 11.6 is not the term coming here, but হলে 0 হয়ে যেত। তাহলে 11, you are just increasing the 11.6. So 12 term, next 11 এর পর 12 term is starting the first negative value. Is clear to you? Okay, thank you. For the next sum, clear. This is a very interesting sum. First negative term, that is very important. Clear? 11.6, 0 is coming. So 11.6 is not belongs the term because of natural numbers, but 0 is coming. Now the next value 0 is the next is negative starting. So 11.6, 11 is the natural number. So next natural number is 12. So 12 is the first negative value. 12 term is the first negative value. Okay, next sum. What is this? Sum number 10. Determine the AP. Determine the AP. Okay, very interesting sum. Determine the AP whose third term is 16. Third term is 16. Okay, no problem. And seventh term exceed the fifth term by 12. মানে 7 টার্মটা 12 exceed করছে, 12 বেশি from the fifth term value 12 term. Okay, so determine the AP. AP টাকে বার করতে হবে। What is the AP series? You just find out the AP series from the given. Determine the AP whose third term, this is the third term is 16. That means T3 is 16 and given is T7 minus T5, that is 12. Is clear to you? Now what's the value of T7? T7, that is a plus n minus 1 into d. So a plus n is 7, 7 minus 1, 6d. So you write a plus 6d minus of a plus 4d, that is 12. That is 12. So a plus 6d minus a minus 4d, that is 12. A is out. This is 6 minus 4, 2d. 2d is 12. D is 6. D is coming. No problem. D is coming. So T3, from here, put the value T3, that means a plus 2d. T3 means, so what is the value of T3? Value of T3 is 60. So a plus 2d, what's the value of d is 6. So 16 is equal to a plus 12. So what's the value of a? 16 minus 12. So that is 4. What is the value of a? First term is 4 is coming. First term is 4 is coming. Common difference you know. Now from the AP. From the AP. You know the AP form a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, dot 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 dot. Write a is 4. Common difference is 6. 4 plus 6. Here is, sorry, here is 4 plus 2 into 6, 4 plus 3 into 6, dot dot dot. So this is 4, this is 10, this is 6 or 12, 12 or 6, 16, and this 3 4 22. Okay, dot dot dot. So this is the AP series. Determine the AP 4, 10, 16, 22. 4, 10, 16, 22. Clear? This is a very important, very good sum. Very good sum. Clear? Determine the AP whose 7 term, third term is 16. Third term 16 minus T3, the value. Actually, first you know what is 16. 16 is the value of the third term. T3 is 16. Value, third, the 16 is the, what is the term number 16? 3. What is the term number of the 16? 3, third term. But what is the value of the third term? This is 16. Value of the first term is 4, value of the second term is 10, value of the third term is 16. And T5, difference T7 minus T5. Now value of the T7 and value of the T5, it is a value, তাদের difference to 12. Clear? So T3 is this. এখানে T7 you know, a plus 6d minus a plus 4d, this is করে এখান থেকে আমরা কি পাচ্ছি, d টা পেয়ে যাচ্ছি। তো d টা পেয়ে গেলে এবার এটা যদি বার করে ফেলতে পারি, from here তুই সিরিজটা বার করে ফেলতে পারবি। is okay? Clear? Now একটা ছোট্ট ফর্মুলা আছে, এটাও ডিসকাস করে দিই, that is very important. এইটা দিয়ে, এটা দিয়ে করলে very easy হয়ে যায়, ওটাও করা যায়। That means if there is the difference of the two terms an minus am, এটাকে আমরা লিখতে পারি difference b n minus m. What is this? The difference of the two terms is 12. Very easy, d এসে যাবে, very easy, d এসে যাবে 12. এত কিছু করার দরকার হবে না if you know the formula. If you know the formula, এই ডিফারেন্সটা, এই যে the difference between 7 term exceed the 5th term. So a7 minus a8n minus am, that is equal to 12. তো এইটার ফর্মুলাটা কি? d common n minus m is equal to 12. Find out d. This is d, n কত 7, m কত 2, m কত 5. Okay, that is 12. So d into 2 is equal to 12. So d is equal to 12 by 2, that is 6. এইটা জানা থাকলে, if you know the formula, so d is very easy to you calculate. আর না হলে তোমরা এইভাবে করবে, no problem. That is a different formula also. Okay, if you know the formula, just put this here. The difference between the two terms a, n and m. So what is the formula? D bracket n minus m, and the value of this difference is 12. an minus am এদের ডিফারেন্সটা ভ্যালুটা কত বলে দিয়েছে 12 হিয়ার ইজ দিস এই যে an minus am ভ্যালুটা কত 12 তো এটার ফর্মুলা কি হোয়াট ইজ দ্য ফর্মুলা ডাইরেক্ট ফর্মুলা d ব্র্যাকেট n minus n d ব্র্যাকেট n minus n 12 এই যে d n টা হচ্ছে 7 5 12 সেটা 2 the d 0 12 by 2 6 okay so this is a different formula okay so thank you for today student if you just understand this please share the channel subscribe the channel thank you for today so next day I will also upload the different pattern of the sum from the ML level thank you for today okay thank you student thank you